So starting this week, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Going to have to. I'm getting my eyes done, my cataracts done. Yes, I'm old, and going to get those fixed this week. This eye, 2 weeks to do this eye, and it limits you on what you can do. Limits you on going outside, getting in the sun. Limits me out mowing and driving around on the golf cart, and I'm supposed to get all bumpy and stuff. So don't know exactly how it's going to limit me as far as on the computer, doing the video editing and stuff like that. So I've gone ahead and put together a series of videos that I think are really informative. They're based on 6, 7, 8 different sources of information, and I think they really do a good job about explaining things. They're called explainer videos. I expect one of those this week, and maybe one for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I just don't know. I don't know about my doodads up here. I don't know how the eyeballs are going to go. But excellent videos if you can get by the fact that it's not me on the screen, it's not me talking, it's somebody else talking. But it's something that I made that they're unique. They're not going to find another one just like it. And going to do that starting this Wednesday. And I may mix them in even when I come back from all this. I've got another surgery I've got to get done fairly soon on my wrist. I've got a ganglion cyst on my wrist, and it's bothering me, and they've already done an MRI and going to do one more test because of where it's located there on my wrist is real close to a real important nerve that I don't particularly want them to cut. So that surgery is going to be coming up soon also, and I don't know how that's going to affect my ability to be on the, typing and stuff like that and be on the computer and working out. Got to wear a splint for 2 weeks and stuff. Yeah, really fun stuff getting old, ain't it? Anyway, just look for that video Wednesday. Give it a shot. Sometimes it'll be a male spokesman, sometimes female. Again, not me. I could spend hours and hours going there and redoing it and redubbing and it's okay. It's okay that it's somebody else. Anyway, again, they're unique. You'll never find another one just exactly like it, and it's based on lots and lots of information that I think you need. We all need. I've learned a bunch of stuff. So anyway, we're going to give it a shot this week, and for a few weeks, perhaps, if I can't get outside and do stuff like I want to do, need to do, whatever. So if you're getting old, you understand. Sometimes you just got to go get some spare parts, and that's what we're going to do on this one. But I appreciate your prayers if you'll do that for me, and just keep up with the channel, even though it may not be me on the channel. It's good. It's good stuff. I wouldn't give it to you if it wasn't good stuff. So anyway, let's do that, and just know that it's coming. All right. All right. We're going.